Do the shit in my sleep. Biggest boot on my dick. Pounding. Can't sleep. Can't see. Hot shit. What did you say? No sleep. Do the shit in my sleep. Biggest boot on my dick. Pounding. Can't sleep. Can't see. Hot shit. What did you say? No sleep. I do this shit in my sleep. Biggest boot on my dick. Got a shawty in my king side. She be telling me to go deeper. I be like bufuni ngasalala wena ndombejana nzokunika. Mina nzokuvimba. Nice sama nzokunlija. She got big thighs and a fat ass. She kinda like a diva. Body shape like Nicki Minaj and Cardi B type of shit. Met a girl on my dreams. Eat my dream. All I want is dream on. Ngosi sigeleli Africa siyaphela nguMaria. She a wife body count. I think it's over for a million. She a ghost but she can fuck a man more than any living bitch. Got a smile in my face when I woke up, yeah, in the morning. Pray I didn't say thank you my Lord. Hey, you golly. Your bitch roll me like a hostie. My dick's feeling all the Front Street. Man, I'm from the mountainside so she can run away from the posh. Black Porsche wrecking and start spitting V haiku on the rope. Cold skin even stop it till the rainfall. She shaking her leg with my back, bro. I feel like I'm needing bank, bro. So I'm leaving my dick as request, y'all. I do this shit in my sleep. Biggest boot on my dick. Pounding. Can't sleep. Can't see. Hot shit. What did you say? No sleep. Do this shit in my sleep. Biggest boot on my dick. Pounding. Can't sleep. Can't see. Hot shit. What did you say? No sleep.